All right, guys, well, we got an LED pipe on here. Check this thing out. It definitely goes with the color scheme of this bike much better than the ESR. This thing looks badass. So we are getting the quad dynoed right now at Dune Toys out here in Oklahoma. And the stinger on the ESR pipe, they think is a little bit restrictive. The stinger pipe is right here. So they happen to have this big bore LED in the shop, so they let me put it on there to try it out. And unfortunately, it made 3 horsepower less. So it is not, we do not require the big bore pipe, but it does sound really good. It looks badass. So I figured I'd take some pictures and we'll do a little startup and you can hear it run. I'm not gonna jet it down the road because we got these paddles on here and I don't wanna thrash those. Those actually belong to DBC Racing. But yeah, I will start it up. So there you guys have it. It definitely sounds really good, and I rode it. I gave it like a little bit of sauce, and it feels really good. Like it has really good power. But apparently with the ESR pipe, we're making a little bit better. So sadly, this thing does have to come off. But man, it is a beautiful pipe. It really is. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. You'll have to let me know in the comment section below. Do you think I should have hit up LED Performance to make me an LED pipe? This one that will work better than this one, like a small bore pipe? Or do you think I should keep running the ESR pipe? Or do you think I should run a totally different pipe aside from ESR and LED? So let me know in the comment section below, guys. I appreciate all you guys. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this content, and I will see you in the next one.